Hello, my name's Lindsay Lobby. I messed the assignment up before and spent 3 minutes talking about a lot of random stuff and answering all of those questions, so I'm going to redo it. An item that represents me would be this little succulent in this little ceramic pot. This is a burrito succulent. This is just one of about 12 that I have right now. I kind of collect them, and it's just probably one of my favorite things to do is gardening in general, but I live in an apartment, so I can't have a garden. So I have succulents, and I live in Arizona, so it's an easy thing to keep alive here. Um, and gardening is probably the only hobby that I have outside of drinking coffee, and drinking coffee isn't really a personality trait. So gardening is kind of the closest thing that I have to that. Um, so yeah, this is my item. I look forward to taking your class.